Hi everyone, welcome to How Tech. My name is Sam. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to compare text in two columns to get the result that you like. First, let me show you about the data set. So in the first column, we have all the name of the students. In the second column, so we have the results from the midterm exam. And in the third column, we have the result from the final exam. And the fourth column will be comparing these two to see if the results were good or bad. So here is our condition. To find out if the results were good, a student must pass both the midterm and the final exam. If a student fail one of these exams, then results are bad. So we can do that by using equal f, and then here we are going to put our logic. Okay, so we have two conditions here. Now what we'll do is use and then parentheses. Now our first logic. So for the first condition, we want b2 to equal pass. Pass, and then comma for c2 equal pass, close parentheses, and then comma. So what this is doing is it is comparing the result from both of these columns. It is checking the result for the first column, which is the midterm, to see it is if the result is pass. In the second column, it is also checking if the result is pass. So if result in both of them is pass, then we want to fill in the column good and exclamation point. If one of them is not pass, so if B2 is pass but C2 is fail, then we want a condition bad, and then parentheses. So what this is doing is comparing these two columns and then checking to make sure that results in both the midterm and the final exam is pass. So if the results are pass, then the column will be populated as good exclamation point. If either of them is fail, then it will be populated by bad. Let's press tab. There we go. So the first one for midterm and the final, both the results were pass. So now the result is good. But here, the result should also be good because both of them pass. But now here, both of them failed. The result here will be fail or bad. And now here, one of them is pass, one of them is fail. The result for that one will also be bad, and go on. So you can add that to the entire column like this. So all the students who got pass in both midterm and the final are good, and students who failed either one of them are bad. This is it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and also please like this video. If you have any recommendation for me to cover, please put in a comment and I'll be happy to do it. Thank you for watching.